Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we're going to check out the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. This comes in a summit white exterior and a jet black interior. Under the hood, it has a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It comes with many cool features such as adaptive cruise, X31 Off-Road Package, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this jet black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons, power mirror and power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some choice space on the side. On the inside is the electronic parking brake, 4-wheel drive settings and interior lighting controls. Now we can have a full look at the cloth seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments. Let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings with the heated steering wheel button. On the right are some directional controls. Coming to the entertainment screen, we have tons of apps over here. We can connect our phones using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We can also access cameras from inside, listen to audio using AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth and some more options. We also get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city. At the bottom is the trailer brake controller, climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by charging outlets, gearbox, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space with a power outlet, a wireless charging pad and 2 HDMI outlets. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Sierra Elevation comes in a summit white exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a blacked out grille. At the bottom are 2 black color tow hooks. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 20-inch black color wheels. We also get blacked out side mirror covers, paint matched door handles with the buttons for keyless entry, corner steps at the rear bumper on both the sides, GMC Sierra and Elevation written in chrome. Let's have a look at the cargo storage space. For entry inside we get this step, and as we can see inside we have plenty of storage space with 3 corner tie downs in the front and in the back, lights in the back of the trunk on both the sides and a power outlet at the bottom. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls, at the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. Behind the front seats we get some additional mags and storage space on both sides. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers and 2 charging outlets. We get the same cloth trim on the rear seats along with dual cup holders and some hidden storage space inside both the rear seats. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.